Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your differential expression table is ready. Gene ID, log two-fold changes, and adjusted p-values. Next, map your ID to Intrez. This is critical because Kegg expects Intrez numbers. Once done, set the species code, for example HSA for human, and start R. Make sure to load cluster profiler, the appropriate org. Asterisk. For example, DB for mapping and PathView for visual output. This sequence prevents downstream ID mismatches and speeds up the pipeline. You run Enrich Kegg from Cluster Profiler, supplying your Intrez gene list, organism code, and a proper background universe to avoid bias. Once the run completes, filter results by adjusted p-value, typically 0, 0.5, and sort by enrichment score or gene ratio to prioritize pathways. Then, create a dot plot and bar plot to visualize significance and gene ratios. Also export the top pathways as a table with their leading genes, so you can interpret which genes drive each. You finalize by visualizing the top enriched pathways with PathView, inputting the fold change vector so nodes reflect expression direction and magnitude. Save the Kegg pathway images, the CSV of enrichment results, and an R script or notebook for reproducibility. If a pathway map looks empty or many genes are missing, recheck ID mapping. Use Bioinformatics or org. Asterisk. For example, DB to convert symbol or ensemble ID to Intrez. This ID mapping fix resolves most failures quickly, so try it first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.